My dear, precious child, you are chosen. I have heard the sound that no one else could hear. The cry that you thought was swallowed by the silence, it reached me. Even when you felt the world had turned its back, I leaned closer. I heard the breaking of your heart, the trembling in your soul, the unspoken words hidden behind your forced smile. I felt the tears you cried in the middle of the night, the ones you wiped quickly before anyone could notice. Nothing escaped me, my beloved. Not a sigh, not a single tear. You thought your voice was too small for heaven to hear, but it was loud in my heart. You thought your pain was buried too deep, but I saw it like the sun sees the ocean. Nothing hidden from my eyes. And while you were asking, does God even see me? Does he even care? I was already moving. I was already working behind the scenes, shifting the very ground beneath your feet to prepare a way where there seemed to be no way. Child, you are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. I have marked you as mine. You are chosen, not by accident, not by chance, but by divine design. Every tear you cried became a seed in my hands, and I'm about to turn your mourning into dancing. The pain that tried to destroy you will become the very testimony that lifts you. I know the nights you prayed until you were too tired to speak. I know the moments you said, "Lord, I can't do this anymore," and yet you still woke up the next day. That strength, beloved, was not your own. It was mine flowing through you. I carried you when you could not carry yourself. I whispered hope into your weary soul when you were ready to give up. You see, my child, I was never far. Even when you thought I was silent, I was speaking in ways you did not yet understand. Even when you felt abandoned, I was wrapping my presence around you like a shield. And now, the time has come for you to see what I have been preparing. You will no longer walk with your head bowed in shame and heaviness. I am lifting you. I am restoring you. The cries you thought were wasted were, in fact, building a pathway for my glory to be revealed in your life. What the enemy meant for harm, I will turn into a testimony so powerful that others will see and believe. I have not only heard your cry, I have answered. The doors that were shut will open. The battles that were endless will cease. The chains that kept you bound will break before your very eyes. You will stand in places you never thought you would stand, not because you were strong enough, but because you trusted me long enough. Beloved, I have seen the lonely nights. I have seen you fight battles in silence. I have seen you love people who hurt you. I have seen you give when you had nothing left to give. And I say to you today, your season of hidden tears is ending. You are about to step into a season of visible answers. The cry you made in the darkness has reached the light. And I, the Lord your God, will not delay. Every promise I have spoken over your life is still alive. Not one word I have said will fall to the ground unfulfilled. Hold my hand. Keep walking. You are closer than you think. The sound of your cry was not a sound of defeat to me. It was a sound of faith. Even in your pain, you called my name. Even in your weakness, you reached for me. And now I will show you that your faith was not in vain. I will show you that I am the God who not only hears, but responds. You will look back on this valley and see it was the place where I met you in a deeper way. You will realize that what you lost could never compare to what I am giving you now. You will testify, God heard me, God rescued me, God restored me, and those who doubted you will see my hand upon you and know that I have chosen you. So lift up your head, my precious one. Your tears are now turning into a river of blessing. Your cries are becoming a song of victory. I have heard you. I am with you. And I am about to do what only I can do. So, my dear precious child, take this to heart. I have not only heard your cry, I have written your story with my own hand. The pain you felt was never wasted. The tears you shed watered the seeds of miracles you are about to see. Every silent battle you fought, I fought beside you. Every moment you thought you were alone, I was carrying you. Now you will see the fruit of your faith. Now you will witness the unfolding of every promise I whispered in your spirit when no one else was listening. This is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a chapter where my glory will shine brighter than your pain ever did. Walk forward without fear. Stand strong without doubt, because the same God who heard you cry will be the God who lifts you high. I am with you, I am for you, and I am not finished with you. You are chosen, you are loved, you are mine. Hold onto my promises, trust my timing, and watch what I do next. For I have heard your cry, and I will not fail you.